Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on TopWards account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on TopWards account, firstly go ahead and launch open your TopWar application. The home page of TopWar application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on pen icon at the top right side of the screen. From the pop-up, edit your name and tap on OK. This is how you can change your name on TopWars account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.